Hello everyone, I'm Mudit and this is the 10th video of the game. So in this I was going to show you how to combine images. So I have this grass image right here, I have this mud image right here, and I have this image. This image is called a blend map, and currently it has only red and green, and some parts are a mix of red and green. So if I, for example, if I click here, I'll show you. You can see the color over here, red, green and blue. So every color can be described by three values of red, green and blue. So currently I've said that wherever red is there in this image, on the terrain I want grass to be there, and wherever green is there on this image, on the terrain, on the corresponding place on the terrain, I want mud to be there. So I'll run the script and show you. So this is basically the blend map is basically the top view of the terrain. And yeah, so take a look. As you can see, grass and mud are mixing in the similar pattern as the image, even though there are many boxes scattered around, so it's difficult to actually see clearly. But yeah, you can see. So take a look. The images fade smoothly like this into one another. So this is how you can make the terrain pattern for your game. You can draw proper like road or grass and mud and sand and all that. So you can make your entire world's basic structure now itself from this stage onwards. And yeah, that's it. You can see I have made the world smaller temporarily. So what I'll do is I will make this much of a world from the blend map, and the rest of the world I would randomly generate, because I can't keep a blend map that goes infinite, right? But I can make an infinite world. So later on when we make hills, I will keep the hills outside this, and that will be randomly generated. But the inner part, this part that you can see currently, this much will use a blend map, and this is what we will customize. So that's it for this video, and if you all enjoy these videos, then do like them and do suggest them to your friends who may have interest in the similar stuff. And yeah, thanks for watching. In the next video, I'll make some 3D grass probably, and I'll also tell it to be placed at the green grass. So 3D grass will be placed only at the places on the terrain where grass is supposed to be there. On this mud, it won't be placed, so it'll have to access the blend map values for that. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video, and bye.